Oh yeah, water beating off. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you saw my last Sienna video, I was doing that compounding and paint correction on it. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some DIY ceramic coat. So what I chose to use is Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King. It's a very user-friendly DIY kit and it's pretty affordable too. I got this kit, I actually overzealously bought five of them because I was following the directions on their website saying that the van needed 3. If you saw my IS video, I barely used half a bottle on the IS to cover all the panels on that. So I figured this car is going to be a little bigger, so it's probably going to take 1 full bottle. So I'm going to have a bunch left over after that. But anyway, the beauty of Armor Shield 9 is, it's a DIY kit, so it comes with everything you need, and I'll show you in a second what's in the kit. But if you're interested in stuff, I've got a link down in the description with a coupon code to get $25 off this kit if you're interested in it, so check that out. So this Armor Shield 9 kit comes with everything you need to do the whole thing. So it comes with a 30 milliliter bottle of the ceramic coating. It comes with this little sponge that you use to apply the coating with. It comes with gloves to protect your fingers and hands from this stuff because you don't want that stuff drying on your hands. It comes with 3 microfiber towels, so you change these towels every couple of panels to make sure that it doesn't crystallize and dry up, and then that might ruin your coating. It also comes with this microfiber towel to wipe the excess as part of the procedure to put this on. It's pretty straightforward and easy to put this stuff on. So basically you take the microfiber towel, you wrap it in this sponge with the soft side up, and then this side is the back side, the side with the logo, and then you put like 10 or 12 drops of Armor Shield on there, and then you basically just wipe it back and forth and up and down on little sections of the panel. What I learned from doing the IS panels was you basically have to do one section, let it dry for a minute or two, move on to the next section while that one's drying, and then come back, wipe that down, and then wipe the next section down. That speeds up the process a lot better. I'll actually link up a video to the actual Avalon King video that shows you how to do it. It's a pretty hilarious like parody satire film, but anyway, I'll get started on this. So you want to wipe down the panel before you start it. You're supposed to use isopropyl alcohol, but I don't have any. It's COVID 2020 and alcohol is nowhere to be found at any stores. I'm using my duplicator grease and wax remover. Just wipe the panel down, make sure it's clean, free of any oils and junk, and then especially if there's any compound or anything from earlier when you're doing the paint correction on it. So you get the stuff ready, see the microfiber on the pad right there, and then you shake this up for a minute or so just to make sure it's mixed well, and then you just dab on like 10 to 12 drops on here across the whole board, and then get started on it. So I'm gonna do it right here. So you're gonna just do little sections at a time, manageable sections. Make sure you overlap, and then go up and down. The key is to just get good coverage. Give it about a minute to dry and then wipe it down. So let it dry for about a minute. Now it's time to wipe down. Buff it. Turn the towel regularly just to make sure you... And this is a good time to kind of check for any imperfections, any leftover compound or anything in the paint. If there is any, then you just want to recoat it, that spot. I did see some little spots where I had some compound left here, so I might have to redo this little section just to make sure. So that's pretty much it. You just repeat the rest of the panels that same way. So I'm going to time lapse it the rest of the way. So I did all the doors and the quarter panel on both sides. So I gotta turn the car around now, do the hood and the fenders. And then, actually, I need to do the lift gate. So I'll do the lift gate and the rear bumper, and then I'll move it to the front side. But basically, got everything pretty good. I got some of this trim along the way, and the trim's looking nice now with the ceramic coat on it. Ceramic coat is really good to rejuvenate your trim. So yeah, if you have extra left over, which you probably will with this kit, you go ahead and just use it on that trim, get it all shiny again and protected. All that, and I only use 3/4 of the bottle, so there's still some left at the bottom there, about 1/4 left of the bottle. So you saw I pretty much got everything. I even did the wipers. I did those wipers, and I did all my trims and all that. I would have done the crown, but my crown has plasti dip on it. I did plasti dip a couple years ago when it started discoloring, because you can see it started peeling right here when I was washing the car, so I got to redo that in plasti dip. So that's why I didn't coat that one with ceramic coat, but the wiper arms and the actual wiper heads, I've done that. So pretty much got everything done on this car. I showed me doing the front bumper in the video, so I've got that front bumper coated. I recorded that earlier, and then I just stuck it in the footage, so you saw that. But in one of my future videos, I'll put all my front end back together. I had a little mishap with the fender linings when I was driving with this bumper, and I didn't connect them all, so I'll show you that in that video. But pretty easy. I think it took me like maybe 2.5 hours to do all this. Hey guys, thanks for sticking all the way to the end of this video. It probably only took like 10 minutes on the time lapse, but it really took me like 2.5-3 hours to do this. It was pretty straightforward DIY ceramic coat. It's Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King. I'll have the link down in the description if you guys want to order it. Don't forget, I do have that coupon code. I'll have it right here on the bottom of the screen for you. It's Tuner WK if you don't know, but just use the link below, use the coupon code, get $25 off. It ends up being about $45 for this bottle, and you can see that, you know, I showed you earlier, one bottle is going to easily do this car and some. and you'll have some left over for the wheels, the trim, and whatever else you want to do on the car. But anyway, thanks for watching all the way to the end, guys, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.